How to update your GoPro with app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you how you can update software on your GoPro with the help of an app. So in that case, you will have to make sure to already connect your GoPro camera to your app, whether you're on iPhone or iOS. You will have to make sure that you have connected it. If you don't know how to connect it, you can watch our other video where we have shown you a full process on how you can connect it to your app on your Android or iPhone. So assuming you've done all of that process, I will simply go ahead and open the GoPro app on my phone. So let me just go ahead and actually open the GoPro app. Once I open GoPro app, you don't even need to do anything. Once you're actually connected to your GoPro, you can tap on the GoPro option and it'll basically just prompt you up whenever you tap on control your GoPro or anything. If there is an update available, it will just automatically prompt you up with the connection. So you want to make sure you have enough charge on your GoPro. You need to have at least over 20% of charge. So you can see it says let's install your update. The rest of the update will only take a few minutes. Leave your camera on and don't leave the quick app until the update is complete. So you could go ahead and simply tap on the continue button right over here and it'll ask you to actually set up a connection. So go ahead and tap on update camera. It says connecting to your camera's Wi-Fi. So it means that if your GoPro's Wi-Fi is on 2.4 gigahertz of bandwidth, your Wi-Fi bandwidth also should be the same. If you have a 5 gigahertz set on your GoPro, you should also make sure that you are connected to a 5 gigahertz network. And after that, I will tap on accept and continue. And you can see all of these instructions: camera available, camera on, SD card space, SD card and device's battery. And you also want to make sure that you have camera battery available to at least above 20%, because if you don't have above 20%, you will not be able to update it. In my case, as you can see, I only have up to 6% of the charge on my GoPro, so I'm not being able to update it. But if you do have the update available, all of the process after this is basically automatic. This was the final step. You could simply tap on the continue and it would begin the updating process on your GoPro. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.